Nature. Nature is all around us. Nature is plants, animals, and the environment. And we can clearly see nature change its forms through the seasons. In the spring, we might see a flower blossom or a chick hatch from its egg. These are all part of nature. Or in the spring, we might see frogs by the pond or the river. They are also part of nature. And in the spring, we will see leaves sprout from its bud from the tree. And they are from nature. During spring, we might even notice a butterfly open its wings for the first time and take its first flight. This is spring, and it's part of nature. In the next season, the temperature rises and it gets warmer. This is called summer, and it's also part of nature. And during the summer, we might see a flower in its peak with its petals towards the sun. This is part of nature as well. We might also see a river red with sunset skies. And this is also part of nature. And during summer, when the temperature is hot, we might see people surfing by the beach. They are taking in nature. They are taking in the sun. And underneath in the waters, there are fish. They are also part of nature. And they like summer too, because there's a lot of food and the water is warm. But in nature, summer is not permanent, and the temperature must fall. And during this time, the fall comes, and that's when we have harvest. Through the summer, the fruits and the vegetables have grown, and people take from nature what nature has given them. We might see pumpkins, tomatoes, corn, all sorts of vegetables and fruits. People take from nature all of these things. People eat what is given by nature. And the temperatures will decrease even further, and a new season will begin. And in nature, this season is called the winter. Temperature might fall to the point where everything freezes. It is too cold outside, and the nature becomes harsh. So people might decide to stay indoors as the nature around them freezes and falls asleep. They might see snow coming down from the sky. And while the nature looks beautiful outside, it is too extreme for the human being. And this is all part of nature.